You'll need a pound of quality ground beef, 2 finely chopped onions, 2 diced carrots, 2 diced celery stalks, 4 crushed garlic cloves, a 28-ounce can of plum tomatoes, a glass of red wine, a cup of milk, and a dash of salt and pepper to taste. Mix 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter, shimmering in a large pot, their flavors merging as they heat up. Into this inviting fusion, we introduce the holy trinity of Italian cooking, the sofrito, made up of 1 medium-sized onion, 2 medium-sized carrots, and 2 sticks of celery, all finely chopped. For around 10 minutes, these vegetables saute, their flavors intensifying but not browning. You're a fan of garlic? Toss in 2 cloves, finely minced, during the last 2 minutes of sautéing for a subtle kick. Now let's crank up the heat to medium-high. It's time for the main event, the ground meat. Traditionally, a combination of ½ pound each beef and pork is employed for a richer, more authentic flavor. However, if you prefer, a full pound of ground beef will suffice just as well. As your meat sizzles and changes color to a delightful brown, season it with a teaspoon each of salt and pepper or adjust to your preference. Next, we add ½ cup of red wine, not just for its robust flavor but also to deglaze the pan, capturing those delicious browned bits stuck to the bottom. Allow the wine to reduce, then lower the heat and stir in a ¼ cup of whole milk until it mostly evaporates. Now for the heart of the sauce, 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. A ¼ teaspoon of nutmeg adds a hint of warmth, while 2 basil leaves or 1 bay leaf can be added for an additional layer of flavor. Season everything with salt and pepper, and then comes the most integral part, patience. Allowing the sauce to simmer on low heat for 2 to 3 hours allows the flavors to blend and intensify. If the sauce becomes too thick, adding approximately a ¼ cup of water or 2 tablespoons of extra tomato paste can help adjust the consistency. Before serving, taste the sauce. Adjust the seasoning if needed, and remember to remove the bay leaves or basil. Next, ladle the sauce over 1 pound of cooked tagliatelle pasta. The flat, ribbon-like shape of tagliatelle holds the sauce beautifully. Avoid spaghetti if you're aiming for authenticity. Now, add a generous dusting of about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese on top, and voila! You've created your very own authentic Bolognese sauce. Let's not forget, slow cooking is the key to mastering a great Bolognese. The longer it simmers, the richer the flavor becomes. A blend of diverse meats can enhance the depth of the taste. And to maintain the authenticity of the Bolognese tradition, always pair it with tagliatelle pasta. Part of the secret to achieving a perfect Bolognese is precise measurement. Balancing ingredient accurately is crucial in cooking. Now you're equipped to create an impressive, home-cooked, authentic Bolognese sauce. If you enjoyed the video, please help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers by liking and subscribing.